Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. If you aren't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below and join the family. Okay, so let's talk about this hair. As you guys can see, a girl is trying something new. I don't think I've ever done short braids, but like I actually look so cute. Like I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm just like, girl. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how I did these braids using the rubber band method, of course, because that's what I do on here. Anyway, some questions that you might have: how many packets did I use? I used the XPRESSION braiding hair, and I cut each packet into 3, and I used 2.5 packets. I got the rubber bands from Clicks, and I used the got to be glued spiking wax for screaming hold. So yeah, that is the edge control that I used. So that is all from me. Let's get into the video. So for today's gel, I'm going to be using the got to be glued spiking wax for screaming hold, and this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to be using my rubber bands from Clicks. This is what they look like. So as usual, I'm just going to put it along that line just so I can be able to demarcate it clearly. This gel actually dries clear, so don't worry about the white. And there you go, we have our hair partitioned. So I'm going to do a couple more. Okay, so I've already done my first 2 because my camera had switched off. But as you can see, we have our hair in the rubber bands. And then at the end, we also tied the hair with a rubber band, like so. So let me show you. So I've already pulled my XPRESSION hair, and I'm just going to take a small piece like this. Okay, so I'm now going to take my hair in a rubber band, and I'm going to just put my crochet hook through it, like so. Okay, so once it's in, I'm going to take my hair and attach it and pull it out like so. As you can see, we have hair. Then I'm going to pull one side out and make sure it's even. And then I'm going to divide the braiding hair down the middle on each side so that I can have 3 equal parts of hair. Okay, so now I have my 3 equal parts, and I'm just going to start braiding. So as you can see, my root is looking good, my braid is looking good. All I have to do is just braid it all the way to the end. Okay, so once I've made it this far, I now take my braid over here and I make sure that the 2 are the same length, like this. And then I take my rubber band and I tie it in position. So once I've attached my rubber band, I'm just gonna take my scissors and snip like so, and just like that I have a braid. Okay, so as you can see, I've done most of my hair, and it's very different from my usual vibe, but you know, I'm not mad at it. So I saved the last part for us to do together. Okay, so I'm going to crochet. So I put the hook through like this, and then I'm going to attach my hair. Like so. And then once I'm in a position to see where it reaches my collarbone, I'm going to put on my rubber band. And then I'm just gonna snip it like so. Okay, so now we're going in with finishing touches, and I'm going in with that same spiking wax and a sprue lead this time. And you know the vibes already. I'm just gonna swoop, swoop, swoop along the whole hairline. Okay guys, as you can see, that was super easy, super quick. I'd say it took me about 12 hours, so it didn't take me too long. Yeah, obviously a girl is looking edgy, a girl is looking fashionable, like I look good. However, my forehead is, you know, a little bit oh, it's in the center stage, and that is definitely something that is unusual for me, but I guess, you know, it is what it is, but I look good. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this useful. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think, if you're gonna try this, and yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.